where my day starts every day. So it's a good old-fashioned cold morning right now. My hair's all sticking up. I am headed to the place where I am moving to put some money down. I'm not moving in until March 1st, but I'm giving them a little bit of a deposit as like a, you know, promise of goodwill. I'm not going to back out. It's only 13 minutes from where I currently live, which is pretty nice. That'll make moving easy. But yeah, I'll show you guys what it looks like. It's a really, really cool house. One of the things I love about creating content is it's new every day. It's new every single morning. Not necessarily what I'm going to make, because I know a lot of this is not like super interesting. I'm giving myself the challenge to do something monotonous like everyday life and make it interesting somehow. And the only way to make it interesting is to be really boring for a little while. And then you're like, oh, okay. So I don't have to change what I'm doing, but saying it this way makes it more interesting. Or, I mean, I'm terrible at making thumbnails and titles, so it's at least helping with that as well. I love content creation because, like, for example, I ended up uploading a lot of videos yesterday. I've been trying to do some sort of vlog every day because it's very easy. I have LumaFusion on every one of my phones, but it's new every day. It feels like Christmas. So the reason I say this is because I caught myself this morning thinking like, oh, it's like, because it's before 8, and I usually upload my videos at 8. I was like, by the time I get back from like putting this money down, my videos are gonna be live, and then I was like, I won't have any views on them. Like, why? What are you excited about them going live for? Like, you can't like look at all the views on it or something, all the 50 views you're gonna get, you know what I mean? Like, but just the act of putting something up that I'm really, really proud of makes me like so excited to watch them. They're on my channel, Michael Secret YT. And I also occasionally post other stuff on Dread Pirate Maki. That's my personal channel. I'm going to do more podcast stuff on there. So it's finally warming up in the car a little bit, but now the question is, do I go directly back home after this, or do I go to Dunkin' Donuts and get a donut and cheat again on my healthier lifestyle? Do I get a donut? I'm never usually out this early, so I kind of feel like it. I don't know, we'll see. All right, put my deposit down. It's really kind of them that they're willing to do this. I haven't signed a lease or anything, but she did give me a receipt. And I put some money down as a promise. I'm going to be moving in on March 1st, and she's going to meet me a couple times and have me sign a lease early so I can start moving my stuff in over the next month. I don't have to do it like all at once on one day, you know what I mean? So that's gonna be really, really nice, because I am moving myself. I cannot afford a moving company or something right now. So, I mean, it'd only be like 3 or 4 trips probably. And like I showed, it's only like 15 minutes away. So that's not bad, but it's the whole thing of like, some of it's a desk, some of it's a bed, some of it's like, so I got to rent a U-Haul or whatever for like the big stuff. And once my bed's over there, I'm sleeping over there. So, yeah, that's really cool. I'm really excited about this. It's an incredible old house. It was made in the 1880s, which means at the time, the Lincoln assassination was just as far away as 9/11 is today, about 20 years-ish, 20, 25 years, which is crazy for me to think about. This house was built and designed by somebody who lived 20 years after, probably lived through the Lincoln assassination, actually, like probably was aware of all of that, just like I would be aware of 9/11 or my parents would or something like that. That's ridiculous to me. So this is an incredible old house. The walls, I'm not gonna lie, I was kind of attracted to this room, not only because of the tall ceilings. I love tall ceilings, I'm a sucker for that, but the black walls are incredible. Unfortunately, I didn't take any footage of it because last time when I saw it, I was kind of just taking in the moment and like shocked at how nice this house was, or how nice it is to me. I love old houses so much, and this is like not really restored like the way it would have been back then, but just fully livable. Like it's great, it's in really good condition, but they kept the character of the house and the stuff that mattered, which is awesome. Just blew my mind. So I wasn't even going for it. Like I was going with my girlfriend, and she was gonna live in it because she's trying to move back to the area. She lives a little, about an hour and a half away. But I ended up being interested in it, and I was like, I'm gonna take it. I don't care if you take it. I'm gonna take this one of these rooms because there's like 6 of them for rent or something crazy. So I don't have any footage of it, but the rooms are incredible. The walls in the one I'm getting are all painted black, which is really funny because of The Office.
Why is my office black?
To intimidate my subordinates.
That's stupid.
But it's also just really badass. I love black walls. I know that's really random, but like you never think of the last time you walked in a house and you were like, that's a cool wall, it's black. Never. Nobody ever uses black paint in houses, and I've always thought it was really cool and like kind of unique because I've never seen it before, but it also makes me feel like I'm in a castle, which obviously is my life's dream. I've got like antiques from my old apartment that I had to leave in Ohio that I would love to bring down, and it actually fits in this house, which I love. So that's incredible. It also doesn't absorb a lot of light, or I guess strike that, reverse it, it absorbs a lot of light. So therefore, it's easy to dress up and down for video, which I love, and it looks really cool in the background. It's like something interesting to see, you know what I mean? So I'll put like my shelf up, I'll put my antiques up in the back. I have something called that my mom calls the cage. It's like this like stand-up kind of goblet holder thing that you could put like maybe plates and stuff on if you were like a grandma. It's like a hutch, but it looks like a cage. I mean, it looks like it's made of cast iron, which it's not, but it looks like it. So it looks like you're kind of in like a castle area or something, which is really cool. So I'm super excited. You will definitely see more about this house at some point because I'm moving in as of March 1st. Shearing soon. Shearing on March 25th is the first day. So this is just kind of a pacifier to get back, to get through that. But once I get back, it's on, and we're gonna be streaming and making content all the time because I will not have to have a full-time job. I'm like unbelievably excited for this opportunity. The house and shearing together is like perfect, exactly what I was looking for. So I'm off today. It's nice to be off on a Saturday. It's been a while. I'm probably not going to do a whole lot else today, actually. I got my thing done. I put my money down in the apartment, and I had some breakfast. But the only other things I'll probably do is maybe go to Target and like get some food because I have to get some more ground turkey and I have to like get some bread and whatever, but that's not super interesting. So I'll probably just sit around watching Outdoor Boys and Forge Labs and whatever else I want to watch on YouTube today. It's going to be pretty chill.